Hello, everybody. Today I want to tell you about the Cashback World and the Cashback app. Many people ask me what it is, and simply, it is a global retail network that allows you to save money on every purchase that you make within our network. The savings are up to 5% of cash that you get back to your bank account. Plus, also you receive for free shopping points that are worth up to 15 bucks each. And on average, they're around $10, which you can convert on the next purchase after you acquire them. So again, cashback 5% and additional shopping points. So what you see over here is actual brochure with the card. So if we peel the card, you can see that on the back there's a QR code and the barcode. You would go to a store, make a purchase, show them this card. It's not a credit card. You can see it says it right here. It's not a debit card. It's just simply a reward card. They would scan this barcode or the QR code. Again, I'll flip it here, and you would get your benefits. So you already saw my phone here. You can also download the app after you get the card. And if you click the button here, we will see I have the exactly same card. Boom, right on my phone. So you can use either the physical card. Here's the barcode. Again, the same exact thing. So you can bring your actual physical card with you, but we live in a technologically savvy world. Sometimes we forget the card at home. It's easier to bring the app. So if you come to a store with this app, make your purchase, let the person, whoever is at the counter, scan the barcode, you would get your cash back and you would get your shopping points. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hope that helps. Take care.